What's up, guys? Good morning. I got the Vendetta back out. We're gonna make a run on 3S. I've got two 3S batteries here running in parallel. My last run we did 89, but I had to get out of it. It wasn't tracking straight for whatever reason. I'm gonna try to do a 3S run and possibly a 4S run today, but 3S is the one that I want to do the most. I've got this dude geared, I think well, I can't figure out a way to get it geared any higher than it is, unless there's somebody out there that knows a way to use a different motor mount. But I think I've got all the gear in it I can put in it. What I don't have is a super long run. This road, I know it looks long, but I've only got probably 2,800 feet that I can run it on before I got to slow down. So
oh shoot, put it on there before I turned it on. Keep running it. Turn the radio on.
all right, let's get her down here. See if we can make a 3S pass with it, guys. All right, 0, tracking. Here we go. She was moving along, guys. Held it for as long as I could. All right, let's see what that was. Hopefully it's better than 89. I think it was. I didn't get on it quite as early as I wanted to. 95, guys, 95 on 3S. I didn't want to go straight in the very beginning there, so I think it had a little more in it. I'm gonna check the temperatures here and see if it's good for another run. May just shoot 4S into it and see what we get, but no body rub on that one. Didn't flip over, so that's good. I did do some adjusting so the front suspension or the tires don't hit anymore, so that's pretty good. Anyhow, guys, 95 on 3S. We're getting faster and faster. That's 6 more miles an hour better than our PB on 3S. So new PB on 3S. I'm hoping we can get it to 100. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, think about subscribing. Leave us a comment, suggestions, anything like that down below. And y'all have an awesome day. See you in the next one.